I can say that Ascendix is perfect company for work.
The company is open for ideas, and regardless how insane your idea is, if it has a value, it can be considered for implementation.
It's really great when you come to the office and meet lots of friendly, talented people that really love what they do and strive to develop.
People who really know what they want to do and why they want to do this.
I love experience the way how ideas, abstract ideas, become visible and you can feel them, touch them and use them.
I'm data geek, I love data analytics, business analysis, and it's a perfect match for me to be a part of Ascendix because I can market stuff that I really love.
I'm really proud that I find people to work here because I know that I provide them a chance for a better future.
Each day I enter my room and meet very friendly, professional, open people which smile to me, and I like challenging tasks, and here I can have everything I need.
I personally love working with people, to make people feel here more comfortable, to give them opportunity to achieve all their goals, all their desires here, so they can grow with us every year, every day.
There is always possibility for growth, for possibility to learn something new, and you get to work with the best teams.
I say this often, I say this in my presentations, but the thing that really makes me the most proud is to see our team members grow. And that makes me proud for them, and it actually makes me proud for our company that we have the ability to give them those opportunities.
One of the most interesting things in programming is that you have a lot of challenges, like a hackathon. That's a challenge for programming to a small or big project, and you have with your team only 24 hours. This is an amazing experience for me, and I hope for everyone who take a part in hackathon.
We only live once, and our time here at work is work, but if it's interesting work, if you enjoy what you do, you're not really working.
Working together, supporting each other, and providing the highest quality service by teamwork.
Everyone, I guess, who works here just have Ascendix in their heart.
And of course everyone's different, everyone's unique, but the thing that seems to be common amongst our Ascendix team is that they're smart, they're professional, and they're open.